the great things about this camera that doesn't require any installation is the nighttime viewing. You can see how nice and bright that is. We'll turn off the headlights and you'll see you still have night vision on the camera. It's super easy to use, super easy to set up. Go ahead and switch that. Power supply is literally just plugged in to the cigarette lighter and to the camera. The camera has a detachable, which you can move to the other side. Plug this in, and the camera turns on, and this gives you the option to look on the right side of the car. You also have a camera in the front for tilt for better angling. Records with an SD card, has an app that you can use on your phone as well. Guys, simple car camera, rear and front, and all in one with just power to the cigarette lighter.